Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Fender Jaguar is probably one of the most iconic and versatile electric guitars ever designed, boasting a unique offset body, a shorter scale length, and a distinctive switching system that offers a wide palette of tones, making it a favorite among surf rock, indie, and alternative musicians who crave a guitar that stands out both visually and sonically from the crowd. And today we're diving deep into what makes this legendary instrument a must-have for any serious guitarist looking to add a touch of vintage cool and unparalleled sonic flexibility to their arsenal. Number 5. CAHAYA Electric Guitar Gig Bag. Introducing the CAHAYA Electric Guitar Gig Bag, designed to keep your instrument safe. Its durable construction offers excellent protection against bumps and scratches. Carry your guitar with ease thanks to its lightweight yet robust design. It's perfect for musicians on the go, providing reliable protection without the bulk. This bag features ample storage for all your essential accessories. Keep your picks, cables, and tuner organized and easily accessible. Enjoy a comfortable carrying experience with padded straps. It's designed for long-lasting comfort, whether you're walking to a gig or traveling. Not only is it practical, but it also looks great. This gig bag combines style with functionality, making it a must-have for any guitarist. Invest in the best protection for your electric guitar. This gig bag is the perfect companion for practice, performance, and travel. What we like. This gig bag offers excellent protection for your electric guitar. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel. If you need a reliable and lightweight way to transport your instrument, this is a great choice. What people say. It has a deeper body to hold a hollow body Les Paul or similar guitar, but also securely holds my Schecter or Fender Strat. It has plenty of pockets for convenient storage and retrieval. The reasonable amount of padding protected my guitar very well in aircraft overhead bins over 4 flights totaling over 9,000 miles. The double shoulder straps and made it easy to transport and free up my hands for other tasks. Storage pockets for accessories and sheet music notes cable was adequate. Zippers are large and robust. The reflective accents drew compliments from other guitarists. The size is accurate, the finish is high quality and the padding is good enough. Plus several convenient pockets. Number 4. Squier Mini Jazzmaster Electric Guitar. Introducing the Squier Mini Jazzmaster, a guitar 100% designed by Fender. Experience the quality and heritage of a legendary brand in a compact package. This guitar features a thin and lightweight body, making it incredibly comfortable to play for extended periods. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of handling for players of all ages. Unleash a rich and powerful sound with its dual humbucking pickups. These provide a warm, full tone perfect for a variety of musical genres. Enjoy reliable tuning stability thanks to the sealed die-cast tuning machines. They keep your strings in place so you can focus on your playing. The hardtail bridge offers excellent intonation and sustain. It's a robust component designed for consistent performance and ease of use. This model comes in a stunning Daphne blue finish, a classic color that looks as good as it sounds. Its vibrant hue adds a touch of style to your instrument. The maple fingerboard provides a smooth and responsive playing surface. Its bright tone and comfortable feel make it a joy to navigate. What we like. Experience classic Fender design in a comfortable, lightweight package. The dual humbucking pickups deliver a powerful, versatile sound. If you're a beginner or intermediate player looking for a guitar that's easy to handle and sounds great, this is an excellent option. What people say. The tuners actually hold a tune well. It's a very comfortable size, and the short scale neck is perfect for my small hands. The humbucker pickups sounds pretty good. Number 3. Pyle 41 Steel String Acoustic Guitar Kit. Experience the beauty of its ash tree top with an open-pored matte finish. This instrument is designed to turn heads during any performance. Crafted with high-quality materials and excellent handcraft construction, it offers a premium feel. The stylish headstock and high-density wood fretboard add to its appeal. This 41-inch instrument features a full scale length and 20 frets, making it ideal for learning. Its solid wood body provides a great playing experience for beginners and children. Enjoy a bright, deep, and crisp sound thanks to its steel strings and overall build. It's perfect for students of all levels, whether for lessons, practice, or performances. Get everything you need to start playing right away with this complete set. It includes essential accessories like picks, a strap, and an armored gig bag for protection. What we like. This acoustic guitar boasts a stunning ash tree top with an open-pore finish, making it a visual standout. It comes as a complete kit, perfect for beginners. If you want an eye-catching acoustic guitar that includes everything you need to start playing right away, this is the one. What people say. This guitar comes ready to play right out of the box, no assembly needed at all. Nice, full-size guitar and the strings are very soft. This guitar has a sweet sound for a beginner guitar. I was impressed to see full bracing to include hardwood popsicle braces in here. Hardwood bridge and fingerboard too. And to add, I didn't get to do any action adjustment as this came on point, though the nut and saddle are plastic and could be replaced with bone later on. This guitar is beautifully designed, it has a black matte finish, its appearance is sleek. The sound quality is exceptional. It provides a warm and rich tone, making each strum sound beautiful. Number 2. Squier Classic Vibe 70s Jaguar Electric Guitar. Introducing the Squier Classic Vibe 70s Jaguar. Inspired by the iconic Jaguar models of the 1970s, this guitar brings vintage style to your hands. It's 100% designed by Fender, ensuring the quality and playability you expect. Experience the authentic feel and sound that has defined generations. Equipped with Fender-designed Alnico pickups, it delivers the classic tones that made the Jaguar famous. Get ready for rich, versatile sound. The neck features a vintage tinted gloss finish, offering a smooth feel and a classic aesthetic. It's designed for comfortable playing and timeless appeal. Complete with gleaming nickel-plated hardware, this instrument not only sounds great but looks stunning too. It's a true head-turner. This model comes in an eye-catching surf green finish, reminiscent of classic beach vibes. It adds a vibrant splash of color to your collection. Enjoy peace of mind with an included 2-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and craftsmanship of this exceptional instrument. What we like. Channel the iconic sounds and style of the 1970s with this Jaguar. It features Fender-designed Alnico pickups for authentic tone. If you're drawn to vintage aesthetics and the unique sonic character of a Jaguar, this guitar is a fantastic choice for players seeking that retro feel. What people say. All the switches worked great. I love the rhythm circuit too. I also love the shorter scale. Can reach chords and notes a little easier. The weight is light feeling too. The quality was on par or better than the higher dollar Fenders and the sound is excellent. Number 1. Pyle 41 Steel String Acoustic Guitar Kit. Unleash your musical talent with this all-in-one acoustic guitar set. It includes everything you need to start playing right away, from the instrument itself to essential accessories. This full-size guitar is ideal for lessons, performances, or practicing at home. Its stylish cutaway design makes it a great choice for beginners and young learners. Experience the classic beauty of this handcrafted instrument. It features a stunning brown glossy finish and a durable all-wood body for a rich sound. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to start their guitar journey. Everything you need is included, so you can begin playing straight out of the box. Enhance your playing experience with the included premium accessories. A gig bag, tuner, picks, and more are all part of this comprehensive package. Crafted with an all-Linden wood body and steel alloy strings, this instrument is built for quality sound. Enjoy its resonant tones and smooth playability. What we like. This 41-inch acoustic guitar is crafted from Linden wood and is designed to be beginner-friendly. It's a complete package with all the essential accessories. If you're looking for a standard full-size acoustic guitar that's ready for lessons and practice right out of the box, this is a solid starter instrument. What people say. The Fender Jaguar has a unique offset body shape that is comfortable for playing while standing. Its short scale length makes it easier to play, especially for those with smaller hands. The Jaguar offers a distinct tonal palette with its single-coil pickups and switching options, providing a versatile sound for various genres. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.